Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, King here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox and install a universal front lip spoiler for Honda Odyssey. I bought this from eBay. Shout out to Portable for you. Quick response, quick shipping, easy to deal with. I'll put the links below down the description. Yes. So now we're gonna unbox it and see what's inside the box. Yeah, I believe this is the center part. The center part. This will go on the sides. Cool. Also comes with all the attachment that you will be needing. Screws. I think that's a double-sided tape. Instruction. And let me see what's this. And cover cups. Maybe this will be used if you're gonna shorten the end side if it won't fit the car, because as I said, this is a universal piece. I'm not even sure if it's gonna fit the car. Well, we'll see how it goes. Now for the installation, simple tools that you'll be needing will be a pair of scissors, screwdriver, pen for marking, same as the painter's tape, plastic trim remover if you need to remove some clips. I also have a flat black spray paint because I hate a glossy finish. Let's start. Yeah, so we're gonna try fit first. All this screw that they provide is really handy. It fits perfectly. So that goes there, just align the holes. Sorry guys, I'm just using one hand to do everything. There you go. We're gonna do this on the same side as well. After finishing the screws, this is how the front lip spoiler will look like. Let me test fit it under the car. One more thing, it's easier to cut plastic if you have a reliable rotary tool. Dremel, Rockwell, whatever, as long as it's a rotary tool that's handy, that will be perfect. Just cut it through all the way there, and you're done. Then do it in the other side as well. After cutting, this is how the side will look like, but still not yet done. Pretty much sure I still need to trim this part, but it will hit the tires already. But another trial fit, that will get another measurement for that side. It's already all prepped for painting. As mentioned, I'm not really a fan of the gloss black, so I'm gonna paint them matte black. This is how it looks after painting it to flat black. Already put some mounting tapes. Drill a hole for factory mounting points. Hope this will fit perfectly in the car. Finally done, installed, and painted. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comments below. Bye. Have a good day. Peace out.